Hello, my name is JC Schwalbach. I'm here at MarineMax Fort Myers, and today I'm going to walk you through the Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Let's go. 420 Outrage is powered with quad Mercury Verado 350 horsepower V6 outboards. You can see the entranceway here is very nice. Step straight from the dock, straight on board. Very easy access point. Right away you'll notice the transom seat, very large. Great backrest that's ergonomically correct to the way you sit so that you have a comfortable seating position when you're on the aft. You also have starboard side seating on this vessel. That gives you a chance to expand the cockpit so that a lot of people can sit here. As you transition forward, you notice the second helm seat is a large bench seat. It's at the same height as the front seat, so everyone gets to see out the front of the boat, which is very nice when you're traveling with multiple couples. The helm seats themselves, you have 3 captain's chairs, all armrested, and the center seat actuates forward to provide the best driving position for the captain. The helm, 3 Raymarine 16-inch screens, joystick, autopilot, sky hook, as well as trim tabs. Boat is nicely equipped, very functional. It also has Seakeeper 6 gyro stabilization. That'll keep the boat from rocking. Walking down into the cabin, one of the first things you'll notice is the large entryway steps, which makes it very easy to transition down below regardless of sea conditions. Large area, very nice headroom. And as you can see, as I move forward in the bow face aft, it's a very large area for a 42-foot center console. The galley prep station, you have microwave here, TV, and then refrigeration there. The head is nicely equipped, separate shower, rain head, which makes it extremely nice, and then vacuum flush toilet. We transition forward to the bow area. You notice the seating in front of the helm is large, comfortable, also doubles as a backrested seat for the table. You have full bench seating around the table on the bow, and both port and starboard side bow seats raise up to go into a lounge position to create more lounging capability in the boat. This 420 Outrage is an amazing vessel, well equipped, and available for immediate delivery here at MarineMax Fort Myers.